Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about cryptocurrency, more specifically Dogecoin, not Dogecoin or Dogcoin. Dogecoin, I don't even know if we can really call Dogecoin a cryptocurrency because it really was created as a joke and recently was pumped by the meme community and the meme lord himself, Elon Musk. And it went from a fraction of a penny up to a few pennies a couple of months ago. And then last week, a bunch of brands used it for marketing and specifically called today, 420, Doge Day, sending the price of Dogecoin all the way up to $0.50. At the time of recording of this video, Dogecoin is sitting at about 39 cents, and if this thing were to reach $1, today would be the day. Now, before we talk more about that, how much Dogecoin I have, and 3 ways to play this, let me quickly tell you exactly what is Dogecoin if you don't know already. And also emphasize that all this is definitely not investment or financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so the biggest cryptocurrency, which is also not really a currency, it's more of a store of value, and that is Bitcoin. Everyone and their mother now have heard of Bitcoin, and when you first learn about cryptocurrency, you'll learn about Bitcoin. Besides Bitcoin, there's thousands of other cryptocurrencies that are based on the same things that Bitcoin is based on, like being digital, decentralized, unregulated, but with some alteration to the rules, hence the name altcoins. And like I said, there are thousands of them. If you open up Coinbase, you'll see just how many there are. And some of the more popular ones are Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, vechain, Litecoin, Stellar, and so on. And each of those sort of has a specific use case or a purpose. To give you a quick example, Ethereum is meant to be more than just a currency or store of value. Ethereum enables the deployment of smart contracts and decentralized applications to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. And that's really simplifying it for the sake of this video, which is more about Dogecoin. So where does Dogecoin come in all of this? Well, Dogecoin was literally created as a joke. Back in 2013, Jackson Palmer was very fascinated by two of the most internet famous things at the time, the Doge meme and cryptocurrencies, and tweeted investing in Dogecoin. Pretty sure it's the next big thing. Then he decided to buy the domain dogecoin.com and photoshopped the picture of the Shiba Inu dog on a coin and said, if you want to make this a reality, get in touch. Then Billy Marcus, a software engineer from IBM, got in touch, and before you know it, Dogecoin is live, again as a joke, but it can be used. It is still based on Bitcoin open source code. Dogecoin is a fork of something called Lucky Coin, which is a fork of Litecoin, which is a fork of Bitcoin. The cool thing is that Dogecoin is actually more useful than Bitcoin in terms of a currency because it has a block time of just 1 minute instead of 10 minutes on Bitcoin. On the other hand, it is a very inflationary currency because there are 10,000 Dogecoins mined every minute, whereas there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins in existence ever. So is Dogecoin a really good investment? Is it even an investment at all? Well, not really. There's nothing fundamental here or technical really that makes Dogecoin anything other than a meme coin. But it is a meme coin that can be used. And here's the thing. Right now, the market cap of Dogecoin is $50 billion. It's the 5th highest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap and can be easily number 3 after Bitcoin, which is over $1 trillion, and Ethereum at over $200 billion. The thing is, right now, just like any meme stock like GME, for example, it goes up so quickly and eventually crashes. The crazy part, though, is that it stabilizes at levels that are much, much higher than where it was initially. For example, GameStop in January was at around $40 per share and soared all the way up to close to $500, which is just insane. But now it's been hovering between $120 to $200 and sometimes higher, which is significantly higher than where it was at $40 and way higher than the $4 where it was in 2020. So Dogecoin going from a fraction of a penny to a few cents to close to 50 cents might be the all-time high for now. Will it reach $1? Who knows? I currently own 2,727 Dogecoins at an average cost of 17 cents. 27 is my lucky number. If it reaches $1, I will most likely sell 727 coins and leave 2,000 coins there forever. And here's why. First of all, I didn't make life-changing money from this, so if I take back my original investment plus, a couple $100 in profit and leave something there for the crazy chance this thing goes to $10, $100, or $1,000 or whatever, it's better than me being completely out of the game. At the same time, if it goes back down to 0, I'm okay with that. Now, the question you should ask yourself is, what are you going to do with Dogecoin? I see three ways of playing this. Either putting a very small amount of money that you'd be okay with losing completely to be in the game and see if something crazy happens with this. Or if you already made life-changing money with this, if you put in a few $1,000s in the last year when it was at like 0.002 per Dogecoin and you made a few $100,000 or potentially even more, like $1 million or something, and that is life-changing money for you, I would personally sell, at least sell enough to actually change my life. Either pay off credit card debt, pay off your student loans, heck, maybe even pay off a mortgage. Jim Cramer sold half his Bitcoin at the top when it was over $60,000 and paid off his mortgage. Who knows how much that mortgage was, but he said he used phony money to pay off real money. And listen, if you believe in cryptocurrency so much and think fiat money is crap, there's still something nice about using your impressive gains from crypto to pay off a tangible asset like a house that you can live in forever free and clear. Something I definitely hope to do in the near future. But yeah, if you have life-changing money in there, I think it's time to realize some of those gains and actually change your life. Just make sure to account for taxes on those gains. The third way to play this is trade it. I'm not a trader at all. I don't do technical analysis and charts and support lines and all that stuff. But if you do and that's something you're good at, then by all means trade it. It's been bouncing around, so if you play it right, there's some money to be made there. Now, besides those three options, the only thing left is just watch it from the sidelines and be content with not being a part of this craziness. So yeah, that's the story with Dogecoin. I hope by the time this video is live, the price is at $1 or higher today on Dogeday. But if it's not today, it may happen in the future. Because listen, Dogecoin being the fifth highest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, and it's actually useful, meaning it actually can be used as a currency. Who knows if it keeps getting more and more popular, sending its price higher and higher, which gets it more media attention, which makes it more popular, which makes it go higher, and it just stays in that loop, companies may actually start accepting it as a payment and make it a legitimate currency. Who knows, maybe Elon Musk will tweet that Tesla will accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, which will then send this thing to the actual moon. Who knows? I don't know if any of this will happen, but all I know is I'll be holding on to my 2,000 Dogecoins forever, or until they reach $1 million, which means that it needs to reach only $500. Remember, Bitcoin was $1 in 2011, only 10 years ago. So 2,000 Bitcoins from back then would be over $100 million today. So anything is possible in the world of cryptocurrency. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that notifications bell to be notified that whenever I publish new videos and new content for you. Also, get your free stock from Robinhood just by opening an account using the link below, and make sure to check the link for the Yada savings account. It's a savings account that is FDIC insured, but gives you interest with a lottery system. If you use the link below, you'll get 100 tickets when you deposit as little as $25 for a chance to win up to $10 million. Then you'll get a weekly ticket for every $25 you deposit. Also, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from Webull when you deposit only $100, which is just like cash. You can take it out anytime you feel like it. All the links are in the description below. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.